In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Yahoo Mail. To get started, open your web browser and go to yahoo.com. This will take you to Yahoo's main homepage, where you can access a variety of Yahoo services, including mail. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until everything is fully visible before moving on. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Sign In button. This will open the Yahoo sign-in page. On this page, you'll be asked to enter your login information. Start by typing in your Yahoo username, email address, or phone number associated with your account. Make sure you enter it carefully to avoid any typing errors, since even a small mistake can prevent you from signing in properly. After entering that information, click Next. The page will reload and move you to the password screen. Here, type in your Yahoo account password. As you enter it, take your time and make sure it's correct, especially if your password includes uppercase letters, numbers, or symbols. If you're using a shared or public computer, it's a good idea to avoid saving your login information for privacy and security reasons. Once your password is entered, click Next again. Yahoo will then process your login details, and if everything is correct, you'll be taken directly into your Yahoo Mail inbox. From there, you can start reading emails, sending messages, and managing your account as usual. If the page doesn't let you log in right away, double check that your username or password was entered correctly and try again. It's also helpful to make sure your internet connection is stable so the sign-in page can load without issues. In some cases, Yahoo may ask for an extra verification step, especially if you're signing in from a new device or location. If that happens, just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process, and that's all there is to it. Logging into Yahoo Mail is quick and simple once you know where to click and what information to enter. After a successful sign-in, you'll have full access to your inbox and all of Yahoo Mail's features.